Hi friends, let me show you this new smart home thermostat that I received for reviewing purposes. It works with an app in your phone, and also you can connect it with the Alexa system. It has a user manual and installation instructions. The actual unit, the actual thermostat, as you can see, it's really nice. And all the accessories that you need to connect it to your system, even if it has a C wire or not, you get the accessories to connect it. Also, a set of configuring labels for your cables when you are going to install. This unit can help you get the C wire if your unit doesn't have one, okay? So it has all the information, all the accessories to install it. Let's try it. As you can see, we have already paired it with the Wi-Fi system. Okay, it got all the information from our computer. It has from our telephone. It has the right time of the day. Let's see the configuration in the phone app.